Wow, so creamy, soft, and today's video, I will show you guys some soap testing today. We will see how the soap bubbles and lathers well. So this is matcha green tea. We have chocolate vanilla. We'll try also this Brazilian clay. And last, goat milk with coffee scrub. So tignan natin ang mga ito. We'll test how this soap lathers. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is Brazilian clay. As you can see, yung bubbles, very creamy. Smell good. Yan ang mga bubbles niya. So, big bubbles and creamy. So, this is our Brazilian clay. So nice. Okay, now we will try our, this is chocolate. Oh, malalaki ang mga bubbles. So, if you add more castor oil, you will get more bubbles. And it's very creamy. Wow, very creamy. Super nice. So this is chocolate vanilla. Wow. Okay, next we'll try. Okay, this is matcha green tea. Okay. What's the same? Big bubbles. Wow. Creamy too. I'm happy. This is great. Some more. It's all looking good. It's all nice. Last, we will try our, this is the only goat milk. All these three have coconut milk, and this is the only one with goat milk. Okay, let's try it. Wow. And on this part, it has coffee grounds, so it exfoliates. This is exfoliating soap. So, very creamy, very creamy, and have small bubbles. Wow, small bubbles. But if you rub more, it creates big bubbles, huge bubbles now. Let's try more. Wow, so creamy, soft, and here is coffee grounds, and you can feel it's exfoliating. Wow, this is beautiful. I like it. Very very creamy. As you can see here, you can see that it's very creamy. You rub more and it shows, it creates small bubbles and creamy. Okay. That's the good thing about natural soap. They're all super good. And still my hand still bubbling. Wow, soft. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.